The video is dedicated to help you remove malicious pop-up windows associated with the site News-vegoku.cc. News-vegoku.cc is a malicious site. Vegoku.cc or News-vegoku.cc is a site that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on Allow button, supposedly as a part of some browser checkup. Some other versions of these pop-ups may tell users to click on Allow, supposedly to help them prove that they're humans or for some other reasons. However, it is certainly a mistake to click on that Allow button. If the Allow button was clicked, you need to fix your browser by going into the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permission and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites if you find them on the list. In order to be convinced that the system is free of other threats, consider researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.